Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS is up to date and your carrier plan allows personal hotspot. Once confirmed, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to clear radios, then re-enable Wi-Fi and cellular. This resets temporary network states. Restart both the iPhone and the device you want to connect. That clears handshake errors. Make sure personal hotspot is enabled in settings and set a simple Wi-Fi password so you can quickly test connectivity without extra variables. Now execute the detailed steps. Pick Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering based on your situation. Wi-Fi is easiest, USB is most reliable. On the client, forget the old network, then reconnect using the exact SSID and password shown on the iPhone. If pairing over Bluetooth, confirmed devices are discoverable and accept pairing codes. If settings remain problematic, reset network settings on the iPhone. This removes saved networks and often resolves deep configuration conflicts. Note it won't erase apps or data. Finish by testing the connection. Open a browser on the client and load a page, then run a quick speed check to confirm data flow. Make sure carrier settings are current by visiting Settings General About and applying any prompts. Carrier updates can fix tethering flags. If you still can't connect, try a different client device to isolate the problem. Key troubleshooting tip: if every step fails, contact your carrier to verify hotspot provisioning, and then Apple support for device-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.